the Micro Brow Pencil is one of my favorite products by the Lip Bar. So you can see the tip is so fine, it actually fills in your brows like real hair. So I'm using just a tint in Almond Joy. And what I love about this tinted moisturizer, it actually dissolves into the skin instead of laying on the skin. You can see that it's so soft and it's lightweight. You can either use it with a sponge or you can use a brush. So I'm using the Quick Conceal in Caramel. I love this concealer. It really blends in so beautiful. You can even see how I'm using the concealer. I'm actually using it in ways so it defines my face. My face is so round that I like to add a little structure and a little definition to kind of uplift my face. Here's the fun part. Look at this beautiful face palette. I'm using this really pretty coral color to kind of bring out my cheekbone. So I'm using it on my arch of my eye bone to my cheek just to bring them out. So for this look, I'm going to use the highlight a little different. I'm going to highlight a little bit at the end of my eye and my brow bone just so when the sun hits on the highlight, it will make your skin glow. It's always a brown liner for me. I'm just going to contour my lip with this beautiful liner. And top it off with this Coral Peach Gloss. And mix it in. Still using my Stuntin face palette. I love to contour my nose and my crease and bring out my cheekbone. And voila, this is my final look. I love how everything just comes together and lays on the skin tint so beautiful.